In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get any board theme on chess.com. To begin this journey of customizing your chess experience, we'll start by heading over to chess.com. This is the main online hub where millions of chess enthusiasts gather to play, learn, and enjoy everything chess related. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the login button. Typically, this is situated in the upper right corner of the screen, making it easy to access. When you reach the login page, enter your username and password into the designated fields. For those of you who have registered using social media platforms, there's a convenient option to log in using Google, Apple, or Facebook. Simply click on your chosen platform and follow the prompts to gain access to your account. If you select Google, for instance, a list of your Google accounts might appear. Choose the one that's registered with chess.com and you'll be logged in smoothly. Once logged in, the next step is to make your way to the settings. Usually you'll find the settings option under your account menu, often represented by an avatar or your username at the top of the page. Click on settings and from there look for the option labelled board and pieces. Clicking on this will open a plethora of customization options at your fingertips. This is where the real fun begins. You can choose from different backgrounds, select your preferred pieces, and pick a board design that suits your style. There's even the option to select the sounds you'll hear as you play, providing a complete sensory experience. Whether you want your board to look traditional or fancy something a bit more modern or creative, take all the time you need to explore the options. After you've landed on the perfect combination for your gaming taste, don't forget to click on Save. By doing so, you're ensuring that all your selections are securely locked in. The changes you make aren't just for cosmetic purposes, they enhance your overall playing experience, allowing you to enjoy chess in an environment that feels just right for you. Now that everything is set up, go ahead and click on Play. Your new board theme will automatically be applied. Every time you log in, you'll be greeted by the personalized setup you just created. So, dive into a game and relish your customized chessboard. It truly makes the game all the more enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these steps help elevate your chess.com experience to a whole new level of enjoyment.